Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Are you looking for a reliable solution to view and export Thunderbird mailboxes to PST file format? If yes, watch this few minutes video specially designed for you. Let's start by downloading the 4 and 6 Email Forensics Wizard on Windows supportive system. Now, run the application and open it. As you see, this utility has a simplified and intuitive interface that anyone can use to achieve the task. First, go to the Open tab and select Thunderbird Accounts. Select Open Thunderbird Configured Account if you have Thunderbird application running on your machine. Otherwise, select Choose Folder option to upload emails without Thunderbird installation on your system. Wait, as the software is analyzing the Thunderbird folders. The tool lists all the Thunderbird mailboxes in the software interface. The compact view helps you to hide system folders. Also, the root folder to facilitate the conversion. So, enable it as per your need. Here, click on the Thunderbird mailbox that data you want to preview in the software window. As you see now, all the emails in the Thunderbird folder are listed one by one. Next, click on the desired email to view in the software panel. This way you can preview the Thunderbird emails with all the elements such as email properties, signature, sender information, and more. If you want to see the email attachment, tap on it and choose whether you want to open it or save it. This famous application also allows you to save Thunderbird folder into multiple saving options. Moreover, you can extract phone numbers, email addresses, phone numbers from the Thunderbird mailbox. Now, go back to Export option and select PST to save emails in PST file format. Now, please select the desired Thunderbird mailbox and deselect the rest folders. Then, click on Browse and specify a location on your system to get the final results. As you see, there are many options available in the software panel. So, let's first understand them, and it is up to you whether you want to enable the option or not. The first is Open Folders after export is done. If you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is saved gets automatically opened after the conversion. The next one is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. The other one is to delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder, then please enable this option. Next is an Include Email Header. We recommend you to disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. The last option is Create Individual PST for each folder. It allows user to make a single PST file for a single folder. Enable this option if required. Now, finally, click on the Save button. You can see the live process of exporting Thunderbird to PST files in the software panel. If you want to test the utility for free, then download the demo edition of the software. It helps you view, export 10 Thunderbird mailboxes files from a folder to PST format. Now, let's check the final results. So, open the resultant folder. As you can see, all the Thunderbird mailboxes are successfully exported to PST format with all the properties and elements. That's all for this video. We hope you get a good understanding on how to view and export Thunderbird mailboxes to PST file with attachments. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more 4 and 6 software videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.